Hello young scholars. In this video we will see how to complete tables using a calculator. So we need to click on Mode, search for table. In our calculator it happens to be number 7, and then just insert your equation. This time f of x is equal 1 over 2 x power 4. So we're going to write 1 over 2, move to the right and just go alpha x to the power of 4. After that, just click on equal. According to our table, we are starting from -3, ending at 3, and each step is 1, which means the difference between each value and the other is 1. Hit on equal, and then you can find the requested values. So as you can see, we have on -3 that's 40.5, -2 it's 8, 0.5, 0, 0.5, 8, and 40.5 again. Now, let's talk about the next function, which is -x power 7. So, again, we can click on mod if you don't see it, mod 7, and then just type in the equation, which is -x to the power of 7. Hit on equal. We're starting again from -3, ending at 3, and each step is 1. So now we have f of x. By scrolling down, you can see the different values between x and fy. So -2 corresponds to 128, 0, -1, and so on. For the third example, we're going to have 3x to the power of -2. Having a negative in the exponent will correspond to undefined values. Hit on equal, starting from -3, ending at 3, and the steps are 1. So -3, 0.33, 0.75, and once you go to 0, it will give us a value of error. So the calculator has a value of error, which means it's undefined. If you move on to the positive value of x, you're going to obtain 3, 0.75, and 0.33. Now, we're going to create a table for the function f of x equals 6x minus 2 over 3. So we're going to click on Mode, Table, f of x. We're just going to enter 6 alpha x to the power of -2 over 3. So we're starting from -3, ending at 3, and the step is 1. So we have 2.88, 3.77, 6, and this time again at x equals 0 we had an error in f of x, which means it's undefined for x equals 0. It's not going to be in the domain. Continuing, we're going to see 1 gives us 6, 2 is 3.7, 3 is 2.88. This time we need to enter this function, which contains the 4th root, meaning the index is 4. So clicking on Shift, Power, you can enter now the index that you need, which is 4. You can leave the index, write 2, go back under the radical, and type 5 alpha x to the power of 3. Hitting equal and telling the calculator you're starting from -3, ending at 3, and each step is 1. Notice that the negative values were having error, which means the function is undefined on these negative values. So any negative number is not inside the domain, while the 0 is 0. Positive 1 is 2.99, 2 is 5.02, while 3 is 6.81. Thank you for watching.